Welcome to the most genuine research review. Obesity has reached epidemic proportions globally, and according to the studies published by the World Health Organization, at least 2.8 million people are dying each year as a result of being overweight or obese. So, obesity is a major problem that causes several serious health issues. Do you know that a perfect and peaceful deep sleep helps you to lose weight? Research Review 2020 Customer Feedback and Expert Advice. Resurge is a fat-burning supplement that claims to burn extra pounds around your body by providing a deep sleep for you. Are you curious to know the reality of these claims? So, let me describe everything about the Resurge supplement. Check out the table below to find the product information and read the Resurge review further to check the benefits and side effects of the Resurge pill. Resurge is a 2-minute after-dinner ritual that has claimed to deliver miraculous results without requiring any lifestyle changes on your part. It is a new dietary supplement that gives you natural, safe, and effective ways to improve the quality and length of sleep that you require every night. One may find Resurge weight loss pill strange and far-fetched, however, the effect the product has on the lives of its consumers speaks volumes in its favor. Many may have a doubt that does Resurge really work? Let us discuss more in this Resurge review. Resurge Customer Reviews. About Resurge Deep Sleep Pills. Resurge is deep sleep and weight loss supplement composed of natural ingredients that are advised to be consumed before going to bed. The basic idea that gave birth to Resurge pill is the fact that all major health issues are the consequence of one main underlying problem: lack of deep sleep. This problem is called a shallow sleep syndrome, and it is resultantly known to keep you from losing belly fat, visceral fat, which is one of the main reasons for heart disease, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. The creator of the Resurge weight loss supplement, John Barban, believes that your body has the ability to repair and rejuvenate itself when you experience deep sleep. According to Resurge Review, the consumption of the Resurge capsule helps to improve the quality of your deep sleep that in turn enhances your natural metabolic regeneration. Resultantly, the body fixes all issues, both hormonal and physical. Below given are some of the health issues that can be reversed by consuming the Resurge fat-burning supplement. Low testosterone levels, low immunity, gastrointestinal issues, food cravings, inflammation, dental bone loss. What could you get with Resurge pills? Resurge will help you get a good sleep, and it will detoxify your body while sleeping. This will give you a refreshed mind the next morning. Continued usage of the Resurge pill suppresses the fat storage in your body, especially on the belly area. It helps you balance your hormone levels and improve your mood. You will feel more energized. Warnings before using Resurge supplement: do not take the Resurge supplement if you can't sleep for the next 7 to 8 hours. The pill is not intended for persons under 18. Do not use if you are pregnant or nursing. Do not operate heavy types of machinery or automobiles within 8 hours after taking the directed dosage. As I told you before, getting enough sleep after taking this pill is very important. Do not exceed the recommended dosage. Keep out of the reach of children. Consult your doctor if you're using any medicines. Main ingredients of Resurge supplement: magnesium, zinc, L-arginine, L-lysine, L-theanine, ashwagandha root extract, Griffonia simplicifolia seed extract, melatonin, hydroxytryptophan. Resurge ingredients in detail: 10 mg of melatonin. Melatonin is a powerful antioxidant that has a variety of benefits. It is most commonly used for insomnia and improving sleep in different conditions. Melatonin can be used to treat delayed sleep phases as it improves the quality and quantity of your sleep. It is a hormone found naturally in the body that is proven to help in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. 150 mg of East Indian ashwagandha plant. This is an ancient medicinal herb popularly used in India. It is known for its ability to significantly reduce cortisol, which will result in improving the quality of deep sleep in addition to controlling a number of issues, including stress and anxiety. 100 mg of natural amino acid hydroxytryptophan. A specific form of hydroxytryptophan is known to enhance the effect of melatonin, thereby improving the quality and duration of deep sleep. They also boost the serotonin that reduces stress and controls appetite. 200 mg of L-theanine. This phytonutrient, commonly found in tea leaves and mushrooms, improves the quality of deep sleep by promoting a relaxed state and by controlling the heart rate. It calms you by reducing the level of cortisol and does not cause drowsiness. 500 mg of magnesium along with 15 mg of zinc. These two ingredients, when taken alongside with the above stated ingredients, will provide quality deep sleep in addition to promoting your morning alertness. Studies have proven that these minerals together can promote a natural, healthy sleeping pattern and a long-range REM phase. These essential minerals help to stay healthy and reduces fatigue. 1,200 mg of arginine and 1,200 mg of lysine. These are natural amino acids provided through the food sources which, when consumed together, improves the amount of human age-defying hormone that is known to release during deep sleep and reduces chronic anxiety. These ingredients also support the immune system, clears the acne, reduces hair loss, protects the neural functions of the brain, and improves bone health. Resurge weight loss reviews suggest that the above stated ingredients, when taken in the right proportion before sleep, will induce good quality sleep and duration of sleep increases. This consequently results in burning belly fat. 1. About John Barban. The man behind Resurge is John Barban, the world's leading expert in metabolism and weight loss. He is a popular fitness instructor and coach who carved a niche for himself by helping both men and women to find innovative ways to lose stubborn weight. Barban has acquired his degree in human biology and nutrition, which has proven to be a great strength in his line of work. Previously, he came up with several weight loss solutions including Venus Factor, which became very popular among women. However, later on, John Barban introduced his new weight loss solution in the name of Resurge and announced it to be the best way to lose weight and improve one's overall well-being. He gives you instructions, techniques, and some easy ways to get deep sleep and lose weight quickly. John Barban is a famous sleep creator too. He transformed millions of people around the world through his Resurge supplement. John Barban has shared his struggle with visceral fat, low metabolic rate, and depression, and has credited Resurge ingredients taken in the right proportion for curing his woes. I hope my Resurge review gave enough information about the creator of this capsule. How does Resurge supplement work? Resurge supplement is a natural product made up of unique ingredients that will repair and reverse health issues such as visceral fat, rapid aging, and lethargy. It is the world's first fat-burning and sleep-creating supplement. Resurge is the only anti-aging nutritional protocol that cures the unexplained weight gain, stubborn belly fat, and metabolic slowdown. Manufacturer's advice is to take the Resurge pills before your bedtime, thus you get a good sleep. This boosts your energy level and vanishes the root cause of obesity by enhancing the production of HGH hormones. Acquiring this deep state of relaxation during sleep not only helps to burn fat but also reverses all ill effects your body has endured due to the lack of sleep. Resurge supplement contains 8 special nutrients, discussed previously in the exact amount that scientifically proven to improve deep sleep and enhance natural metabolic regeneration in both women and men. Resurge customer reviews and results. Hundreds of positive Resurge results and customer reviews reveal its success and efficiency. Various Resurge reviews suggest that it is designed and created to trigger your brain and body to experience restorative sleep, which promotes the production of the fat-burning hormone that will help you lose stubborn weight and eliminate the symptoms of declining health too. The only thing you have to do is simply take Resurge capsules with a glass of water 30 minutes - 1 hour before going to bed as per the dosage instructed. The ingredients in this pill help your body function properly and slow down your aging process. It also helps to control the blood sugar level and removes all cancer-causing cells. The 2 primary results offered by Resurge weight loss supplement that help you in your journey towards better health and appearance are: Resurge Reviews 2020 proves that it helps you reduce the level of hydrocortisone to burn the fat deposit formed on your belly, visceral fat. It promotes RER, respiratory exchange rate, that will help you to balance your sleep cycles that permits the release of the fat-burning hormones. Does Resurge really work? The answer is yes. Resurge supplement is the only fat-burning supplement that works effectively. The supplement is 100% unique and contains natural ingredients only which are beneficial in its own way. By consuming Resurge pills as instructed by the manufacturer, your visceral will burn out by reducing the level of hydrocortisone and your sleep cycles will become balanced. Even though there are many fat-burning supplements available in the market, they are not at all effective. The reason behind this is that those supplements are not trying to find or overcome the proper cause of becoming fat or obese. But the Resurge fat-burning supplement follows the proper dimension. Resurge customer reviews are all positive and they reveal that the supplement really does miracles. Can you really use Resurge Diet Pill? Resurge reviews suggest that it can be consumed by both young and older consumers who are above the age of 18 years. If you have tried various diet routines and exercise regimes, and yet have not been able to achieve your health and wellness goals, Resurge is a product for you. Anyone who wants to cut down their belly fat but doesn't have any time to do workouts can consume this and wait and see for your result. Check out the benefits. Your body may contain several harmful toxins that are produced as byproducts of certain processes. The Resurge supplement helps to remove those toxic substances from your body. The Resurge supplement enhances deep sleep, which gives you a relaxed feeling in the morning. You can balance your hormonal imbalances by taking Resurge pills. It enhances the metabolic activities and helps to burn excess pounds. Restores your energy level and sex drive. Resurge side effects. As Resurge is made out of 100% natural ingredients, there have not been any reports of side effects so far. However, numerous reports of success stories from people who have benefited vastly by the consumption of this supplement are reported. Customers really enjoyed its effects and miracles. Every capsule of Resurge has manufactured in the USA under GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, facility. It is FDA approved and is manufactured under strict and precise standards. Additionally, this product can also be used by people who are experiencing low metabolic rate, anxiety, depression, and rapid aging. 3. As per the Resurge review, this product is popularly known to help you achieve a reversal of declining health, which will help improve your quality of life and overall well-being. Instructions to follow while taking Resurge pills. The one thing you should be careful with is to follow the instructions given by the creator properly. The instructions provided with Resurge supplement are: this product is mainly recommended for women and men above 40. People of age below 18 shouldn't use this. Follow the dosage as instructed by the manufacturer. Do not use this pill if you are pregnant or nursing. Do not use this product if you are in other treatments. Consult a physician before taking Resurge pills if you have any allergic problems to medicines. Pros and cons of Resurge weight loss pill. Pros: Resurge review suggests that it helps to boost focus, self-confidence, and memory while reducing negative feelings and moods. It is a clinically proven nutritional supplement that enhances the overall activities of your body. Resurge weight loss supplement review reveals that it enables rapid weight loss, significantly increases the duration of deep sleep, reduces the level of cortisol, stress hormone, in your body. Various Resurge reviews prove that it increases metabolism. No side effects as a result of its consumption. Available at an affordable price. Resurge weight loss supplement is very easy to use, consume. It comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Cons: not apt for pregnant ladies and nursing mothers. Resurge pills are not available in any medical store. You have to purchase it from the Resurge official website itself.